जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार channel from the international world. Algeria, officially the People's Democratic Republic of Algeria, is a country in the Maghreb region of North Africa. The capital and most populous city is Algiers, located in the far north of the country on the Mediterranean coast, with an area of 23,81,741 square kilometers. Algeria is the 10th largest country in the world and the largest by area in the African Union and the Arab world. Algeria-India relations refers to the growing bilateral ties between Algeria and India. Algeria has an embassy in New Delhi and India has an embassy in Algeria. Algeria-China relations refers to the current and historical relationship between Algeria and China. The two states have traditionally strong relations, celebrating the 16th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations in 2018. Country Rajasthan backwards crisis. The governor has no choice but to call the assembly session. Education. COVID-19 in Chhattisgarh cancels entrance exam including engineering and pharmacy elsewhere. Sacraments VHP will take confluence of water on 29th July for Ram Temple land worship. Environment. Bagmati River. The Bagmati River runs through the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal and separates Kathmandu from Patan, flowing through the province number 2 of southern Nepal that finally drains into the Indian state of Bihar. It is considered holy by both Hindus and Buddhists. A number of Hindu temples are located on its banks. The importance of Bagmati also lies in the fact that Hindus are cremated on the banks of this holy river and kirtans are buried in the hills by its side. Invention. A pendulum clock is a clock that uses a pendulum as swinging weight as its time-keeping element. The advantage of a pendulum for time-keeping is that it is a harmonic oscillator. It swings back and forth in a precise time interval dependent on its length and resist swimming at other rates. From its invention in 1656 by Christian Huygens, inspired by Galileo Galilei, until the 1930s, the pendulum clock was the world's most precise timekeeper, accounting for its widespread. Great person. Sadhak Ram Prasad Sen was a Hindu Sakt poet and saint on 18th century Bengal. His bhakti poems, known as Ram Prasadi, are still popular in Bengal. They are usually addressed to the Hindu goddess Kali and written in Bengali. Stories of Ram Prasad's life typically include legends and myth mixed with biographical details. It is said that Ram Prasad was born into a tantric family and showed an inclination towards poetry from an early age. He became a disciplined Krishnanand Agam Vishwa, a tantric scholar and yogi. Ram Prasad became well known for his devotional song, eventually becoming the court poet of Raj Krishna Chand of Nadai. State. History of Arunachal Pradesh. In 1912 to 1913, the British Indian made agreements with the indigenous peoples of the Himalayas of northeastern India to set up the Balipara frontier tract in the west, the Sadia frontier tract in the east, and the Abod and Mishmi hills and the Tira frontier tract in the south. Together, those tracts become the northeast frontier agency, which is now Arunachal Pradesh. The northern boundary of the territory, determined at that time, became known as the MC Mohan line. It is about 550 miles long and has been a lasting point of contention between India and China. Crops. Moringa oleifera is a fast-growing drought-resistant tree of the family Moringaceae, native to the Indian subcontinent. Common names include Moringa drumstick tree, horsehair redress tree, and bean tree or benzoleaf tree. Fruits. Grape. A grape is a fruit, particularly a berry of the deciduous woody vines of the flowering plant genus Vitis. Grapes can be eaten fresh as stable grapes, or they can be used for making wine, jam, grape juice, jelly, grape seed extract, raisins, vinegar, and grape seed oil. Flowers. Jasmine. Jasmine is a genus of shrubs and vines in the olive family. It contains around 200 species native to tropical and warm temperate regions of Eurasia and Oceania. Jasmines are widely cultivated for the characteristic fragrance of their flowers. Yoga, Bhujangasana or Cobra pose is a reclining back bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The health benefits of stretch the spine, stones the buttocks, stoots statia, help relieve stress and fatigue, open the heart and lungs, stretch chest and lungs, shoulders and abdomen. Universe. The Indian Ocean is the third largest of the world oceanic divisions, covering 7 crore 5,60,000 kilometers square or 19.8% of the water on Earth's surface. It is bounded by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east. To the south, it is bounded by the Southern Ocean or Antarctica, depending on the definition in use. Along its course, the Indian Ocean has some large marginal or regional seas, such as the Arabian Sea, the Laccadive Sea, the Somali Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Andaman Sea. Mathematics. In applied mathematics is the application of mathematical methods by different fields such as physics, engineering, medicine, biology, business, computer science, and industry. Thus, applied mathematics is a combination of mathematical science and specialized knowledge. Ayurveda. Neem. Neem is a natural herb that comes from the neem tree. Other names for which include Azadirachta indica and Indian lilac. The extract comes from the seed of the tree and has many different traditional uses. Neem is known for its medicinal and insecticidal properties, but people also use it in hair and dental products. Village town. Kursela. Kursela is a village situated in the banks of river Ganga and Kosi. It is market and farming village of Katihar district. In history, Kursela was a jamidari under British India. R.B. Raghubans Prasad Singh. He was a great philanthropist and administrator. The Singhs were the largest landowner in Vinova Waves Buran movement, wherein they donated 6,000 acres of land. He sponsored the opening of 2 schools and hospitals in Kursela. He also donated many houses and lands to the Congress party, including the Kala Bhavan in Purnia. Kursela is famous for its integrity among various religions. Today's event. World War II. Allied forces successfully held the final Axis advance into Egypt. 1949. Initial fight of the de Havilland Comet, the first jet-powered airliner. 1955. The Austrian State Treaty restores Austrian sovereignty. 1975. Mayor of Jaffna and former MP Alfred Durafa is shot dead. 1997. About 50 killed in the SIG Rock massacre in Algeria. 4 states of Himachal of yellow alert, heavy rain and typhoon warning. Today's temperature in Patna 31 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 31 degrees Celsius. The Kargil War, also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, conflict is also referred as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian operation to clear the Kargil sector. The Indian force roles in acting jointly with the Indian Army's ground troops during the war was aimed at flushing out regular and irregular troops of the Pakistani army from vacated Indian position in the Kargil sector along the line of control. This particular operation was given the code name Operation Safed Sagar. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः